Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Bidian again. Happy Memorial Day. And if today is your first time stopping by, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you like my content, just click like button, right? The like button is free of charge. Yeah, so today's tutorial, I'll call it tutorial or topic, as you can see in the capture, is knowing your hair textures. Today we're going to deal with 7 hair textures, most popular hair textures that people actually uses, and I think you'll be able to learn 1 or 2 things in there. If you're a beginner, or if you're not too familiar with hair extensions or with hair weaves textures, I think this will be a very good tutorial for you, or topic, or something to learn from. So let's get right into it, baby. So first of all, I'm going to start with the most popular hair of all, which is our straight hair. Straight hair, you see, it's always straight. This is kind of full because where it was stored is kind of rumpled. So this is our popular straight hair. As you can see what I'm wearing, so it's the popular straight hair, and this is 14 inches. This is 14 inches. So it's a popular straight hair. Straight hair is good if you don't really know how to maintain hair. You just want to put it on and just comb it straight and just go out, Straight hair is very good. It's very versatile. It's everywhere. So and it's the most popular hair in the market. Some people don't really like straight hair, but most people love it. So this is straight hair for you. That's number 1 on our chart. It's the bestseller in every hair shop. It's straight hair. So now that we have the circuit bone or straight bone hair that's raining, and so straight hair is really the number 1. So the next hair that is popular is our body wave, baby. See, body wave. This is one of the popular hair too. Is body wave. The body wave hair. This is how it looks like. Body wave. This is your body wave hair texture. This is how it looks like. So this is 14 inches too of your. No, this is 14 inches of your body hair too. So this is body wave hair. Body wave hair too is flexible too to use. So if you wanted to have this big bouncy hair, you still use it. But most people, if you're using like a closure hair or a frontal, and your hair, a wig maker actually, tint the knot, wash the hair, deep condition the hair, it's going to really loosen up the wave, right? Because this is a steam wave, right? So it's going to really loosen it up. So that is why most people, they try to like roll it out with some wand, roll it out with coiling iron, or roll it out with the rolling what they call rod, the rollers. So to bring back the steam shape, right, is always very beautiful. So this is your body wave, baby. So the next hair we want to talk about is another, like the number 3rd, if I may say, is the wavy hair. The wavy hair is also one hair that is common, popular too. This is loose deep. As you can see, it's kind of loose. It's a loose deep hair. See? So this is loose deep hair. So you can see it's kind of like an S curl. It's because I've like put my hand through it. It gives you like an S curl kind of shape. So this is always the loose wave hair, right? So this hair too is it's called mango, right? If you just want to give it like an extra bruise, you want to coil it using your tongue, or you want to coil it using your tongue, and like air like this. If after using it for like 3 months, you want to deep condition it because they are coily hair, you want to deep condition it and then brush it out to maintain the curl for hairs like this. This is wavy hair. Then our number 4 is another popular hair, which is the kinky curl hair. Yeah, kinky curl. Yeah, your kinky curl, as you can see. This is kinky curl hair. This hair too is very, very popular. Let me take the plastic band off. Actually use it to protect it, you know. So you see, this is kinky. Some people call it Afro kinky. Some people call it Mongola Afro kinky. Whatever kinky you call it, it's still kinky hair. Yeah, kinky hair. Oh, this hair too, after wearing it, after combing it out, you love the way the texture is. Most, if you're a beginner and you're not too familiar with hair and you're dealing with kinky hair, the best thing you want to do is anytime you want to like brush it out, you have to mix it up in a container with water and leave-in conditioner to shake it out and spray, so it gives you the curly vibe. So this is kinky hair. After it is being washed, it doesn't stay like this anymore, though you still love the texture, but it will loosen up a bit. It's not going to be this tight anymore. It's going to loosen up a bit. So this is kinky hair. This is another hair that is you know, that people love to wear. Then another hair we have is okay, the kinky straight. Some people call this hair palmed hair. Some people call it bouncy hair. Some people call it kinky straight, which we all know. It looks more like the black, like our hair, you know, like the black African hair that was just hot ironed. So this is kinky hair, as you can see. You can also use a kinky hair like the straight hair. You understand? The only thing that is more volume, like it's more like fuller when you use than, you know, than the straight hair. But sometimes you want to like go extra mile. You want to like use your straightener to like tighten the top side, so you have this a little bit silky look. Then the back goes like, you know. So kinky hair too is also one of the beautiful hair you can find in the market. So this is kinky hair. I hope you can see. This is kinky hair. Then another hair we have is the deep coily hair. The deep coily hair. This is the deep coily hair. Some people call it deep wave, depending on what you want to call it. But for my brand, it's deep coily. I call it deep coily hair. This hair is so beautiful. It's so pretty. Like, it's so pretty. And this hair, for you to maintain this hair, always after wearing it for about 3 months, always try to deep condition this hair overnight. You comb it back to your desired style. You comb it back and it will bounce back. It will bounce back. So like this hair, you can wash it as, I don't know, for this brand, sorry, I'm sorry, for my brand, you can wash this hair like every week and it still maintain its luxury and everything. But this is deep coily. Some people call it deep wave, but I call this deep coily because it's so tight. Though it's deep, it's so tight. So another hair is give me a minute. I don't want to mix those coils. When it comes to coils, you have to be careful so you don't mix them up. Then the last hair we have here is the Malaysian coil, baby. This coil is everything. If you're someone that loves coily hair, This color is the bomb. It's everything. It's so cool. Like, so soft. Is everything. This color is the bomb. Like, everything you need in hair. This is there. It's so soft. Is just too much. So this is Malaysian color. This hair is the bomb. I tell you, it's the bomb. So for you to maintain this hair after like 3 months too, wearing, deep condition it, and overnight, and you're good to go. Then also always spray it with leave-in conditioner to maintain the luxury and the luxurious and the softness. So this hair is the bomb. It's the bomb, right? Like me, I don't really like the natural color. I like to dye to jet black, you know, sometimes. But this hair can be dark, can be colored. It can be bleached. So this is Malaysian color. This hair is cool, so soft. So this is Malaysian color. So, and I think I have one extra bonus for you guys. Give me a second. Yeah, here we go. So the extra bonus is the blonde, the pretty blonde, the 613, baby. So this is 613. This is the blonde hair. This hair is so soft, and one thing about this blonde is it can be dyed to any color in the world, any color. So it can be dyed to any color. So this is the blonde. If you're someone that doesn't know, once year 613, this is 613, 613, 613, 613. So okay, so thank you for watching. I hope I've been able to teach you one or two things. You know, knowing your textures is very important. You know, knowing your textures. My next video, we're gonna talk about maybe knowing your difference between your virgin hair and the raw hair and your synthetic hair. So I hope it's going to be a little bit interesting too. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.